This is the BK Mueller 888-738 tan handle for the BK Mueller new style faucets with the tan handle. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the packaging. A couple things to notice about the handle is right here on the face, it will have almost like that webbed look to it. And then going to the bottom side, you've got that square brooch. And of course the hole for the handle screw, which it will also come with. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements, starting with an outer diameter of the face of the handle. That's going to measure right at 2 inches. Then we can also get an outer diameter here of that outer ring. And that's going to measure right at about 1.25 inches. Then we can also get an inner diameter of that square brooch. That's going to measure just shy, or right above 1/4 of an inch. Then we can also get a total height, and that total height is going to measure right at about 1 inch as well. Then we can get a total length of that handle screw. Do it like this. So that handle screw is going to measure right just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And then this is a brass handle screw, and it will be driven by that Phillips head. And yeah, once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-738 handle assembly.